This is a summary of COVID-19 related data for Jamaica on day 51, Thursday the 30th of April 2020.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
There are currently 422 confirmed cases of the novel coronavirus in Jamaica. Of the 422 cases, 259 are females, while 163 are males. There have been a total of 8 deaths, while 29 people have recovered. This means that there are 385 active cases presently. Of the active cases, 144 are males, while 241 are females. Of the 29 recoveries, 14 are males, while 15 are females. Of the 8 deaths, 5 are male, while 3 are females. There have been 35 imported cases, 125 cases that are direct contacts of confirmed cases, while there have been 9 cases of local transmission recorded. Another 253 cases are currently under investigation. This is a breakdown of the confirmed cases on a per parish basis. Hanover is the only parish in the country yet to record any case of the novel coronavirus. St James, 8 cases, 1 death, 4 recoveries. Trelawney, 1 case. St Anne, 9 cases, 2 recoveries. St Mary, 9 cases. Portland, 7 cases, 1 death, 1 recovery. There have been 2 cases recorded in St Thomas so far. The parishes of Kingston and St Andrew have so far recorded 92 cases. 3 persons have died and 6 have recovered. St. Catherine has so far recorded 242 cases with 1 death and 2 recoveries. Clarendon, 33 cases confirmed, 1 death and 7 recoveries. The parish of Manchester has seen 12 confirmed cases with 6 people recovering. St. Elizabeth, 5 cases, while the parish of Westmoreland has so far confirmed 2 cases, 1 death and 1 recovery. The age group breakdown of the cases are as follows. The age group 0 to 9 has seen 26 cases or 6.2%. 10 to 19 age group, 48 cases or 11.4%. 20 to 29 have so far recorded 169 cases or 40%. The 30 to 39 age group has seen 72 cases or 17.1%. The 40 to 49 age group have recorded 34 cases or 8.1%. The 50 to 59 age group, 38 cases or 9%. 60 to 69 age group, 19 cases or 4.5%, while the 70 to 79 age group has seen 15 cases or 23.8%. The recoveries by age group are as follows. In the 20 to 29 age group, 2 people have recovered. This is 6.9%. For the 30 to 39 age group, 8 people or 27.6% have recovered. For the 40 to 49, 2 recoveries or 6.9%. 50 to 59, 8 recoveries or 27.6%. 60 to 69, 4 recoveries or 13.8%. 70 to 79, 4 recoveries or 13.8%. And the 80 to 89 age group, 1 recovery or 3.4%. Now for the death by age groups. There have been 1 death for the 0 to 9 age group, which equates to 15.5%. For the 40 to 49 age group, 2 deaths or 25%. 50 to 59 group, 1 death or 12.5%. While the 60 to 69 and 70 to 79 groups have recorded 2 deaths or 25% each.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.